Vandi features an outstanding spraying system that uses optimal downward wind. It is a stable and convenient unmanned aerial sprayer for the agriculture use. Vandi can spray 1.2 hectares within 8 minutes. It uses 16 propellers to fly and spray. It can withstand some wind and maintain the same altitude and position while spraying. Reliable flight performance. A problem with past drones was that they shook in multiple directions when steered straightforward. But Vandi remains stable even when hands are removed from the controller. Vandi was made only with parts that passed an on-site test lasting 1,000 hours in the hot and humid summer weather in Korea. Excellent spraying ability. We tested the downward wind, spray quantity, and spray angle that are the most suitable for the task. We implemented an optimal spraying system, and the angle can be adjusted specifically. Convenience. The foldable design makes it easy to move, transport, and store. Unlike conventional drones, it is equipped with an automatic speed control function, which reduces the need for fine adjustments, making piloting during spraying even easier. Depending on consumer demand or spraying environment, optional functions can be added after consultation, such as automatic spraying function, camera mounting, automatic retrieval in the event of a problem. Domestic certification and testing completed. Korea's agriculture spraying drone initial agriculture machinery modification completed. KC radio wave certification for the fuselage and controller. Completed reporting of ultralight aircraft status. Wind tunnel test completed. When Vandi, the promising future industry drone, meets agriculture, our farmers will be empowered to create new growth in the 21st century.